Good morning and welcome to Puerto Plata.
Puerto Plata. Puerto Plata. Oh wait, that just sounds... What accent is that? I don't know what that is, but it's beautiful.
So we're in the Dominican Republic this morning, and this is one of our ports that we're visiting. Yeah. So we're going to do a safari.
It's the countryside safari. So I believe it is an open top bus that will take us out. We'll visit a chocolate plantation and see how they harvest the cacao and dry it and that sort of thing, and also a coffee plantation. And then I believe we have a local style lunch, which I'm really looking forward to. Get some local cuisine, and I think it ends up with a little bit of time at one of the beaches.
Cool. Let me get a view here of the...
Yes, it's beautiful. I mean, it's a port, but when you look at like the mountains and all that, it's beautiful.
So we just got off the ship. There's the fort. What's the name of that fort? Do you know?
San Felipe?
Fort
Maybe?
San Felipe, possibly.
Please don't quote me on that.
Becca has all the supplies.
For now.
For now. I'm probably gonna end up carrying. She got water bottles. She has her digital camera, towels. I don't know what else is in there. I don't know. But
Some swimsuit, aqua shoes, you know, the usual. It's what I take on every shore excursion. Oh wait, this is my first.
We're on our way to the safari now.
Hola. Oh, the bird.
Are you ready to have fun, guys?
Yeah!
Can you say primo vámonos?
Primo, vámonos!
Okay, hasta la vista, babies. Look at my weekend house on the right hand side. Hey, look at my last name, Bruegel. Oh no, this is Boston Red Sox. So that's a house that you would pay probably 160,000 US in this place. So you remember, that's why we have a lot of foreign people. In Puerto Plata, 7,000 Germans, 12,000 Italians, Russian people, Americans all over. They come for holidays, they fall in love with this place, and they stay here forever. Nice place, very friendly. Miss Judelka, can you say hola, Judelka? Hola. She was born and raised in the family producing cassava out of yuca roots. You peel it, you grate it, and you get the yuca flour. She will put on the fire for 10 minutes with garlic, a little bit of olive oil, and then in 10 minutes, ready to eat. That used to be a native indigenous food, Taino's food. Even Christopher Columbus, going back to the Spain with 3 boats full of gold, he used to ask to the Taino, can you prepare cassava for me? Because we have the gold, but nothing to eat. Remember, cassava is part of a Taino heritage. So, 1,000 years talking about the same food, and you can pay for cassava all over Dominican Republic. Christmas dinner, bit roasted pig, cassava right there, bit machete, you go and take pig, and you know what? Very tasty. Look at that. Remember, you are allowed to take pictures everywhere. Not a problem. I know you want to take some beautiful memories.
Yeah.
This is made of sugar cane. Don't forget, Christopher Columbus brought the sugar cane from Canary Islands to Puerto Plata, 1496.
Are there any rum distilleries on this island?
Yes, 3 of them.
3?
The most popular.
Which one are you getting?
I'll get Sprite, I think.
I'll take Coke.
Or Sprite.
Sprite?
No, we climb up the trees.
I'll take Sprite.
Do I missing some of you with the alcohol?
Thoughts? So this is rum and Coke.
Yeah. After lunch, I have some cigars for you and Mama Juana. Mama Juana is our national drink. You never
rum
seen
and
it in your
Sprite.
life probably, but it's a big bottle.
Oh, that's a win.
with 30 different types of medicinal. Amigos, typical house. Tin roof, all the wood from the palm trees, and a concrete floor. Yeah, that's a typical house. That wood lasts more than 100 years. This way, please. Look at this. Estella's garden. She loves flowers. You ladies love flowers, right? So, in there, have a look. This is simple life, authentic, but very friendly, unique hospitality. Technology is kind of expensive for them. That's why sometimes a very old refrigerator. Look at the tin roof. That tin roof lasts 10 years, 12 years. This wood from the palm trees, 100 years. It's like concrete. This way the kitchen, outside here. Amigos, this is the kitchen. This lady, her name is Estela. I'm going to show you her husband in a few minutes. His name is Papo and her name is Estela. She owns this house. They have 5 children.
Hola.
They have 5 children and she's ready to cook rice and beans now.
Ooh, yum.
All what they eat, most of what they eat come from the backyard. Right here, look. Look at this, coming closer. Look at that tree with the avocado. Yes. Follow me this way. Let me show you the plantation. Remember, we have 2 cocoa bean season. Summer cocoa season, winter cocoa season. And in Spanish, this fruit is called cacao.
That's a baby pineapple.
So it's like it's upside down, kind of.
Yes,
Somewhere. Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah. It's like we're in the jungle. What do you
I think we are, kind of.
What do you think of the tour so far?
I am learning a lot. It's a beautiful country. Oh, be careful. Sharp edges.
Amigos, another tasty breakfast, but now it's about fruit. Eh? Papaya, pineapple, watermelon. Mariano, ¿cómo se siente, Mariano? ¿Todo bien? Gracias a Dios. ¿Eh? You say, gracias, Papo.
Gracias, Papo.
He says that you're always welcome. You remember the cocoa beans we saw? Look, this is chocolate.
Oh.
Wow.
This is chocolate. All the white beans. And then 2 weeks in sunlight to ferment it.
Wow.
You never will think that, oh, well, look. M&M's, Mickey Ways, Hershey's, cocoa beans, chocolate.
Do you want to try it? I'm going to.
It's very good, trust me.
That's good. It's a little sour, tart.
That's like the lime.
Oh, but then later.
And then,
start
look at
to
the
taste a
beans.
little bit
You
of
see the
coconut.
beans? Look at after 2 weeks. Fermented without sunlight. Same cocoa beans. Ready to be roasted with a brown sugar and cinnamon to produce homemade chocolate. You grate it like this, and then you do anything you want. Bacon, hot chocolate. Take a look. Georgie has a hot chocolate, always mixed with sour orange leaf. In every village, it's like that. Look at the sour orange leaf. smell this and pass it down, please. Organic Arabic coffee.
Oh, I smell
Eh?
it.
Now, amigos, hot chocolate and homemade coffee. Let me tell you the way you work with this. Look, you just come, push on top,
Oh, that smells so good.
and then for sugar, you help yourself. If you don't like sugar, you just get a black. But for the chocolate, go with Georgie's. Try both of them. Hot chocolate with the coffee, you help yourself. Please, bon appetit, everyone. Please come in.
We just tried some delicious coffee and hot chocolate.
Oh my
It
gosh.
was really good.
Like grown right here
Yeah.
and processed right here. And it's amazing. And then the children make and sell bracelets for $1 US. And so I bought
Is this
a
my
bracelet.
truck? Yep.
Yes. Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Best hot chocolate I've ever had, I
And
think.
best coffee with some raw sugar in it. Oh, it was amazing. So if you want chocolate and if you want coffee, Dominican Republic.
Amigos, we're driving through the jungle. In the jungle, the magic jungle, the lion sings tonight.
So we have fried chicken, pasta, and a salad, fruits, potato salad, like lettuce salad, and beans and chickpeas, the red beans and rice.
Hello.
So we rented an umbrella and 2 chairs for $10. And this is our view. Not bad.
Look at these beautiful shades of blue. Over there we have Neptune. Guards the island, keeps it safe from
We're headed back to the ship now. This is Taino Bay. Bunch of shops and restaurants. That's a nice pool there, looks like.
That's if you don't want to go do an excursion, you can stay here.